New Zealand Kiwis playing instruments, drinking Turkish tea, and eating delicious cheesecakes from Muzelik. Hello and welcome to Koru Kiwi Arts. My name is Darren. I finally finished my painting. I call this Muzelik. A couple of Kiwis there playing instruments, and I've written all the details on the back. But before I proceed in telling you a little bit more, let me show you my little friend. My little laughing dove friend. It's only a baby, but I'm not sure if she's a female or a male, but always comes to visit to me. It never goes anywhere. I can stand right up to it, walk around it. Doesn't fly away. It's friends though. But anyway, I've known Yumas, who's the owner of Muzelik, for a long time, since 2016, and he's done a lot for me during the years, and I just wanted to do something for him by doing a painting as my appreciation for his friendship and all the things that he's done. Now, before I present this canvas to my friend Yemos, I'm going to make sure that it's got a protective coating on it, because it's going to be in a cafeteria. So I use this lint remover here to remove any lint that may be on the surface. Now, I've already gone over it once before, but I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to put this water-based matte varnish that I've got here over the surface of the painting. It's a good product. I like it. Now, this is not a promotional video. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just showing you what I do. So I'm just going to put an even coat over the surface, and by tomorrow it should be dry. As well as I made sure that the canvas was dry as well before I put this varnish over the top. You can pour it on the canvas from the bottle. Now, it's sort of milky, but don't worry, it goes clear into a matte finish, and I like that. I prefer the matte finish because you can see it from any angle, where a gloss you can't. And with your brush, make sure that it is nice and soft before you apply your varnish or your finished coat over the top. If you don't, you'll end up with lines through it. This is nice and dry. I normally put 2 coats on. Thank you. We finally made it. Wow. It looks really, really good. Another. up to see it. Seeing his face light up is just priceless, absolutely priceless. Yemos is a special friend of mine, and it's always a privilege to go and see him whenever I can. And like I said, I've known him since I first got here in Istanbul, so I've known him for quite a while, and he's a special friend. But anyway, thank you again for watching all the series. Get a big heart from us. It's our appreciation to you for being a part of Koru Kiwi Arts. Thank you for helping us grow this channel, and have a wonderful, wonderful new day tomorrow. Bye now.